Hello students, today we are going to discuss about light sensor. What are light sensors? This is a device which is used to measure intensity of a light. Okay, so with the example only I'll explain this. First type of this is photodiodes. This is also a device which we are using to measure the intensity of a light. Now in this device what we are going to do is we are connecting this device to a closed circuit which having a current flow, a closed circuit. Okay, now when we are connected with the closed circuit, we are using in that semiconductor junction diodes. Now what semiconductor junction diode will do, it produce a very high resistance at normal condition. Okay, without any light we are producing a high resistance. Okay, now when light is fall on that semiconductor, that time what will happen, resistance of that photodiode or that semiconductor junction diode will get decreased and current will flow in that closed circuit, and this helps to complete the cycle. Now I'll explain by the diagram. If this is a semiconductor connected to a closed circuit and this is a current supply given, okay, and something we are taking output. Now without any light there is a resistance, very high resistance. So without any light current could not flow from this and it could not complete the circuit. And when light fall, what will happen, the resistance will get decreased. It is directly proportional to the intensity of a light. If resistance is very low, intensity of a light is very low, then it produce very it will reduce the very small resistance. If intensity of light is very high, it will reduce the all resistance and current will flow from this circuit. Okay, now we'll see the next one, that is phototransistors. Now diagram of this is like this. Light incident. Now these are the light sensitive collector based PN junction. We are using a PN junction over here, and when there is no incident of light, very small current to emitter, very small collector to emitter current will flow, and when light incident, the base current produced which is proportional to the light intensity, and produces the collector current, which is measured intensity of a light. This is how this works. Thank you.